I needed a pair of headphones in order to edit my clips in quiet. These are the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, the successor of the Bose 700 and QC45. Let's see what we have inside the package. An instruction manual, a very nice carrying case, this is a USB-C to USB-A charging only cable, the 3.5mm jack in order to connect your headphones to your computer. It's a pretty long cable, and the headphones themselves. The headphones are a combination of plastic with metal brackets, very nice adjustable sliders, and some type of synthetic leather. In terms of connections, we have of course the 3.5mm jack, the USB-C used for charging. This is the Bluetooth and power button, used both for pairing and turning on and off the headphones. A multifunctional button that can be used for, skipping forward, backwards, next song, and so on. This slider is used for volume. You just have to slide your finger like this up and down and you can adjust the volume. And of course we have the built-in microphones. Since Bose is a pioneer in noise cancelling, I really have high expectations from these headphones, so I'm gonna play with them a little bit around and I'll come back with a review.